There's some walking. There's some walking. There's some walking. Oh yeah. Good job, Bailey. Come see Daddy. Bailey, come here. Whoa. Come on, Bailey. Hey, Bailey Bennett. Yes, you like to pull those down and throw them on the floor, don't you? Come on, sweetie. Come this way. Whoa. Bailey. Hey, Daddy, see if you can call her.
Huh?
See if you can call her.
Hey, Bailey. Bailey. Look.
Bailey.
Look what I've got.
Whoa. So good. So good.
That was a great walk.
Yay.
All for a pink wash rag.
All for the dish towel. You gonna scrub the floor?
Please.
Mommy would appreciate that. Where you going? Where you going? Whoa, so fast. So fast. Oh, attacking Dad. Attacking Dad. Are you just gonna kick back and watch the football game with your dad? Yeah. That looks like a comfortable chair. Daddy sure is a comfortable chair. Are you sorting? What's in there? Hey, Bailey. What's in there? What's in there, Shay? Got it? Uh-oh, some stuff fell out. Can you dance? Hey, Bailey.
Let's dance.
Can you dance?
I like energy.
Are you too busy to dance?
Now we're moving.
Are you too busy to dance? Oh, goodness.
Let's play. Let's learn to clap. 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 Yeah, like that.
You're so busy. Now you ready to dance?
One clap, two clap, three clap. Hey, this is fun. Let's count some more. 5 claps, 6 claps, 7, 8. Got you. Hi there.
Here, let's pull this a little closer. Is that easier?
3 turnovers, 3 times the Jets have started the drive inside the Rams.
Did you find a Cheerio in there?
Let's get moving.
You like a little squirrel? You stored it away for later? Bok bok.
Loss of 1. That's the time to play this Rams defense because they need to hold the Jets at field goal. That would make it a 16-point game. 2 touchdowns, 2 2-point conversions, and we got a tie.
What else you got in there?
It's a tall order,
Uh-oh.
but it still is
Uh-oh. Whoa. I'm glad that wasn't on Daddy's toe. Glad that wasn't on Daddy's toe bone. I'm gonna put him back in. find another Cheerio? Good job.
Stick with the running game. It's Green. Ducking his head. Carries to the 25.
Hey, Bailey.
2.5 yards.
Bailey.
Laurinaitis combining with Donovan.
Bailey Bennett.
The upcoming schedule. New England, and then the long
Bailey.
before the Arizona game at Jacksonville.
Bailey, hello.
Schedule, you say, oh, these are winnable games, but when you're 3-6,